Dear friends, welcome to Krishna Shorthand. Get ready for today's journal writing. Start. At a time when climate change is no longer a distant forecast but a lived experience in the Himalayas, and Himachal Pradesh stands at a critical juncture. Repeated monsoon floods, landslides, flood bursts, and erratic snowfall have exposed the vulnerability of its fragile mountain ecology. Stop. The development gain of past decades are now under strain, making climate governance not just an environmental concern but central to sustainable human development. Stop. Para. Against this backdrop, the Himachal Pradesh Human Development Resort Report 225, titled Bridging the Gaps Strengthening Climate Governance in Himachal Pradesh, released by the United Nations Development Programme UNDP India in collaboration with the state's Department of Environment, Science, Technology and Climate Change, lays out a comprehensive roadmap to strengthen institutional resilience and bridge systematic gaps in climate action. Stop now for its glacial rivers, biodiversity, rich forests, and diverse agroclimatic zones. The hill state in increasingly witnessing erratic rainfall, flash floods, prolonged dry spells, shifting cropping cycle, and rising disaster risks. Stop. These shifts directly impact agriculture, water security, infrastructure, and rural livelihood, pillars of the state's economy. Stop. Para. While the government has introduced several policies and programs to address climate risks, the report stresses that the real state test lies in translating framework into coordinated and accountable governance on the ground. Stop. It identifies such structural bottlenecks such as overlapping mandates, weak interdepartmental coordination, limited technical and financial capacity, fragmented data systems, and barriers in to inclusive participation. Stop. Para. Importantly, the report does not caution political will. Instead, it points to the inherent difficulty of integrating climate change, a cross-cutting and evolving policy domain, into administrative systems originally designed without factorian in climate risks. Stop. Para. The state has taken steps in recent years, including setting up the State Knowledge Platform for Climate Change and Disaster Risk Reduction to foster collaboration among departments, researchers, and civil society. Stop. Efforts to mobilize external funding and explore private sector partnerships signal administrative innovation despite fiscal pressures. Stop. Given Himachal's varied topography, decentralized planning is critical. Stop. Climate vulnerabilities differ sharply across districts such as Kangra district, Kinnaur district, Chamba district, and Lahore and Spiti district. Stop. The report underscores the need to empower Panchayati Raj institutions and urban local bodies which act as first responders during disasters and key planners of local development staff. However, many lack the technical expertise and financial autonomy required to mainstream climate resilience. Among key recommendations are technical sports cells at local levels dedicated climate resilience grants and formal integration of climate adaptation and disaster risk reduction into local governance mandates. Stop. The report also calls for scaling up grassroots innovations such as community led watershed management and climate license of agriculture. Stop. Para. Accountability and transparency from another critical pillar while inter- institutions like the Himachal Pradesh State Pollution Control Board publish environmental indicators. Similar tracking mechanisms for climate mitigation and adaptation are needed. Stop. Recent extreme weather events have heightened public scrutiny of preparedness and found utilization. Stop. The report suggests digital dashboards, independent evaluations, and strengthened monitoring frameworks across departments. Stop. Para. Climate impacts it not are unavailably distributed women, small and marginal farmers, migrant workers, and nomadic communities such as the Gadi often face disproportionate burdens. Stop. Legal provisions for women's representation exist, but meaningful participation requires capacity building and awareness. Stop. The report advocates climate literacy compensations in local lawn languages, participatory vulnerability assessments, and integrating climate education into school curricula. Stop. Para. In remote tribal regions, difficult terrain and digital executions hamper outreach. Stop. Incorporating traditional ecological knowledge into formal planning process is seen as essential for legitimacy and effectiveness. Stop. Data remains a backbone challenge. Stop. While satellite data sets are expanding, ground based observations are uneven. Differences in interdepartmental data reporting under coordinated planning. The report recommends unified climate data portal as accessibly to planners and strengthened local capacity to interpret climate information. Stop. Blending community observations with scientific assessments can improve accuracy and public trust. Stop. Para. Ultimately, the report argues that Himachal's climate governance journey reflects adoption and institutional learning. Stop. Persistent coordination gaps, financial constraints, and data limitations also present opportunities for reform. Stop. Linking resilience with livelihood generation through ecotourism, agroforestry, and green entrepreneurship can align climate action with economic growth in a Himalayan state where ecological fragility meets development aspirations. Strengthening climate governance is not a administrative formality. Stop. It is fundamental to protecting livelihoods, preserving development, and ensuring that future growth remains sustainable and inclusive. Stop. Thanks.